Alright guys, welcome back. This video is going to be a huge turning point in your programming career. We're going to be going over the if statement. So this program that we have right now, it's very similar to the one we had in the last video. We have a boolean, which does absolutely nothing as of yet. And it just prints program terminates. Okay, so we're going to start with if. Notice it's a keyword, it lights up in blue. Next, we're going to type in a left parenthesis and a right parenthesis right after it. Inside these parentheses will go a boolean value, which is either going to be true or false. Let's go ahead and type in false for right now. Now next, we're going to type in some braces. Inside here will go all the lines of code that we're going to execute. If this evaluates to true up here, it's going to execute every single line of code. In this case, let's just put in one line. And we're going to say, passes through. UGH, and with a capital P. Passes through, program terminates. Let's see. So, right now, if we run this, it will not say that because this is false. However, if we change this to true, it will pass through. So in this entire set of parentheses, we'll evaluate an expression, a boolean expression that's either true or false. So let's go ahead and type in x. Now x is being used. X is equal to false, so it's going to skip over that. Program terminates. However, if we change x to true, it will pass through. And that's what we have. So we can have more lines of code to execute through here, and everything inside this code block will execute. That's what a matching pair of braces is represented by, is a code block. That's what they're called. In this case, we have 3 code blocks. And it is common practice to have your closing brace, which is this last one, to match up with the beginning of your if statement. Okay, since there is only one line of code, we can actually get rid of this parenthesis. I'm sorry, not the parenthesis. We can get rid of the braces. Why? Only because there is. So this is only this if statement only applies to the next line of code. It's kind of rare that you're only going to use one line of code in an if statement, so we usually do braces. So it's either going to go to the next line of code or the next set of braces. So it is common to close it with a set of braces. So now it'll execute the entire set. Okay, so what else? We're going to be going over some relational operators. Let's just start with some simple ones right now. 3 less than 5. So this is 3 less than 5. This is true. So this expression simplifies to true. And it runs, passes through. We can also store this expression into the value of x. Alright. X is going to equal 3 less than 5. In this case, it'll be true. It'll execute. Is 3 greater than 5? This is not true. This is false. So it will not execute through here. And that is the introduction to the if statement. We are going to be going over relational operators in the next several videos, and we just went over 2. We went over less than and greater than. And here's the greater than symbol here, here's the less than symbol here. And that concludes this video. Thank you for watching, and we have plenty more to go.